How to get iPhone emoji on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. For that, open your Google account and type reciter iPhone emoji this text, sorry, go there and type this text, then go this website and scroll all the way down, then under bonus method of getting ISO, you can see download ISO emoji apps. So press on download, then press on download anyway. It's a totally safe apps, so don't worry, I personally using it. So once download complete, press on open and press on install, press on OK. If you see this kind of pop-up, then simply go to your setting and go to security and privacy, then press on turn on auto blocker. So after complete the process, you can enable this option again. Then now press on your file, press on install, now press on open, now press on OK. Now enable this keyboard, press on OK. Now switch to emoji, now English USA, allow. Now it's almost done. You can choose your color or etc from here. You can customize your actually. Then if you press on your emoji, then as you can see, all emoji is coming like iPhone. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.